Isaiah Davis School is not just an academic program. Although we strive for academic excellence, we also have a skill training program called the Life Skills Program that all the students from 4th grade to 12th grade participate in. Our price for education comes a little bit over the usual, price. It's not there yet to the standard that we want it to be, but we're working on improving everything that we are doing as a school, Isaiah David. So we're looking out there, for sponsors, people who will help other children who are in need to gain quality education at our school. We're looking for sponsors, we're looking for donors to help us support our life skills program, to help sponsor some of our children who are in need. Currently, we rely solely on the Alumni Association of the Isaiah Davis School that's based in the USA. They do a lot of fundraisers for us and they help many children in the school. So people listening or watching out there, we're looking for your support. We have a library that needs books. We have a facility that needs constant maintenance. School fees cannot do it all. We have to pay teachers to get the quality education that we're looking for. We have to pay well. And that's all that we are working on at Isaiah David. I have been with Isaiah David over 20 years now. I came in 1998-99 school year, September, when school opened. So looking at the classroom size, and that one of the things we are very advantageous, being blessed with. Some schools you go to, like MOU, with before then say 45 students in the class. Of Isaiah David, I think we'll be going around. We noticed that some of our classes we have 14 students. We have 17. Like the kindergarten children that we had the step-up program coming, or shortly they had just 6 students. So because the classes have less number of students, so the teacher can give more attention to each of the children. So all of the children benefit, from whatever instruction that is given. Reading program, because I'm a teacher, in the primary area, that read primary education. When it comes to the primary division, we look at the reading ability of our children. We look at the number of words that should be read per minute for a child. And so we go all of through these things that the teacher knows that a child in the first grade should read at least 30 words per minute. And how to read to it. Those things are done. And through the steps that we say our curriculum, follow all of that.